Right. Everyone see the 10th problem is uh, we have to show that f is a mapping from x to y, domain is the x, codomain is the y. Show that f has unique inverse. F has unique inverse. Already he given use the conditions of F circle G1 is equal to I. F circle G1 at Y is equal to I of Y. Use, if necessary, use this condition is equal to F circle G2 at Y. Use this condition. So this is the given problem. Everyone see. So we have to show that unique inverse. Here already given the conditions also given. Use that conditions he is telling. You have to use the condition he is telling. It have unique inverse. It have unique inverse. We are going to. Our screen is looking black, sir. Screen is looking black. Now we can see. Now we can see. Rani, now we can see, Amma. Now it is see. Is fine, sir. No black. Okay. Okay. First you have to see. So everyone observe. We have to take the every function have the one inverse only. No question of more than one inverses. One function have the one inverse. That means one element have the one inverse. Second element have the second inverse. Therefore, every element have the one inverse only. Okay, na? One element have the one inverse only. How can you show that? Mean I will let G1 and G2 be the two inverses. Be the two inverses of F. F element inverses of F. F is the one element that have two inverses. I will start, but I show that it have only one inverse. Mean G1 is equal to G2. I am going to show that. Okay, na? First I will take G1 is equal to, everyone see. So G1 map I always equal to G1 only. G1's map I. So I of X is equal to X. G1 circle I also G1 only. In place of I am writing the second one. What is the second one? I am going to write. Everyone see. G1 I am going to write. So G1 circle. So we can write reverse order also. G2 circle F. G2 circle F. Okay, right? G1 circle. So I will write. Sorry, I will write here either G1 circle. Right. See. G1 circle. I means F circle G2. I will write F circle G2. I will write. By the associative law, we can take any one G1 circle F circle G2. G1 circle F circle G2 by the associative law. By the associative law, any three is there. Any two addition or multiplication, we give the same. So now I will write G1 circle F is the I only. I circle G2. I circle G2 that is equal to G2. Once again, everyone observe. So G1, G2 be the two inverses of the element F. I will start with G1. G1 is equal to G1 circle I. Identity matrix is the same. So I of X is equal to X. I of x is equal to x. Identity will give the same. Identity will give the same. So G1 circle I means G1 only. G1 circle I means I will write this one. This value also I. This value also I. Therefore, I means I will write F circle G2 by the associative law. Any two we can take. So G1 circle F is equal to circle G2. G1 circle F is equal to I, or F circle G1 also I. So I G1 circle F is equal to I. So this is equal to circle G2. Identity will give the same element G2. Therefore, we start with G1, we get the G2. Therefore, every element has one inverse. Therefore, G1 is equal to G2. Therefore, F has unique inverse. F has unique inverse. F has unique inverse. Is it clear, everyone? So this is the 10th problem. I go through the 11th problem. Everyone see, 11th problem is I go through the 11th problem. Everyone observe 11th problem is. So here is F map domain is the 1, 2, 3 and codomain is so A, B, C. Next, what they are going to give an image of one. F of 1 means one image is A. F of 2 means two images B, and F of 3 means three images C. Three images C. Find F inverse. Find F inverse. F inverse is required. So find F inverse. Find F inverse is required. F inverse is required. And what about the second bit is? Second bit is show that F inverse of inverse is equal to F. F inverse of inverse is equal to F. Two bits are given. First I will write, everyone see. First I am going to write F is equal to one element have images A, and two element have images B, and three element have images C. This is the F function. F inverse means reverse. F is a mapping from A to B. So F inverse is equal to F is a mapping from A to B means F inverse is a mapping from B to A. Reverse. Okay, na? So reverse right now. F inverse means reverse. So F inverse is equal to reverse A comma 1 and B comma 2 and C comma 3 and C comma 3. That is the F inverse is completed. Again, F inverse of F inverse right now. F inverse, whole inverse means again reverse. Again reverse right now. 1 comma A, 2 comma B and 3 comma C and 3 comma C. Okay, na? So this is the same F. F inverse of whole inverse is the F. F inverse again write down reverse order. Then we get the same F only. F inverse write down again reverse order. We get the same F inverse only. Okay, right. So 12th problem is the same. 11th problem take as an example. For 12th problem we can prove. Okay, na? So 12th problem is the same. 11 and 12th are the both are same. Take same 11th problem example and write down the same one. Right. 13th problem. Everyone go through the 13th problem. Everyone go through the 13th problem. What is the 13th problem is, if F map domain is the real numbers, codomain also real numbers, and given by f of x is equal to 3 minus x cube whole power of 1 by 3 whole power of 1 by 3. Required is, what is the required is? So find f circle f at x value is. F circle f at x value is. So f circle f at x value is required. F circle f at x value is required. Everyone very carefully observe. I will do the problem so we can no confusion with very carefully we can observe. Okay now? So very carefully can observe. Let 3 minus x cube is equal to y. 3 minus x cube is equal to y. Okay now? Then, so I will take first f circle f at x means f circle means bracket of f of x, right? So x is there, here we can write x only. X is there, we can write x only. Here is the fx is there, 3 minus fx cube whole power of 1 by 3 fx cube whole power of 1 by 3. Okay na? So what is the value of fx cube, CMR? What is the value of fx cube is? What is the fx cube value is the 3 minus x cube. Fx cube value is from here fx cube, cubing on both sides. So 1 by 3 will be cancelled. Fx cube is 3 minus x cube. So I will write here is fx by 3 minus fx cube is 3 minus x cube whole power of 1 by 3. 3 should be 3 cancel. Minus minus is the plus. So x cube whole power of 1 by 3. Its value is x. Its value is x. Once again, anyone have the doubt? Once again, I am doing the problem. Everyone observe. Once again, I am doing the problem. So everyone see. Here is f of x is there, cubing on both sides. F of x cube is equal to 3 minus x cube. Is it clear? Cubing on both sides. So now I will take f circle f at x mean. So f circle is the bracket f of x. Here x is there. We write here is the x only. Here f of x is there. So 3 minus x place is the f of x cube. F of x cube whole power of 1 by 3. Right. What is the f of x cube value? Is the 3 minus x cube. So 3 minus of 3 minus x cube whole power of 1 by 3. So 3 should be cancelled. Minus minus will become as a plus. X cube power of 1 by 3. 3 should be cancelled. Answer is x. Okay now? Clear everyone now? No doubt now? Right. I go through the 14th problem. Inverse is required. F is a map from G. So the inverse of F is a map of G, range F. So R minus is given by, okay. Right, everyone see, 14th problem is, everyone observe 14th problem is, what is the given function is, F is a mapping from R minus of minus 4 by 3. In real numbers, minus 4, 3 is cancelled. To The codomain is the real numbers. F of x is defined by 4x by 3x plus 4. Next, inverse of f is represented by g letter. Inverse of f is represented by g letter. Find f inverse. So this f inverse is find out. This is g value is find out, means f inverse is find out. So already I tell that f inverse problem is came. Let y is equal to f of x if necessary. F f inverse of y is equal to x. F inverse of y is equal to x. Put in the box. If necessary, f inverse of y is equal to x. Okay, na? Right. What is the f of x value? Write down number 4x by 3x plus 4. 4x by 3x plus 4. Find the x value in terms of y. Find the x value in terms of y. Cross multiplication. So 3xy cross multiplication, 3xy plus 4y is equal to 4x. So this term, bring on the x term one side and find out the x value. So that is the 4y is equal to 4x minus 3xy. Now take x is common. 4y is equal to x is common. 4 minus 3y. So y value write down one side. So that is equal to x is equal to 4y by 4 minus 3y. 4y by 4 minus 3y. 4y by 4 minus 3y. Is it clear? 4 minus 3y. So now we can say that. So now it is a real number or not a fraction. Every fraction is a real number. We can substitute y place is the any value. One value can substitute 4 by 4 minus 3 is the 1. 4 by 1 is the 4. 4 is the real value. Okay, now x getting the real value. So x means, what is the x value? See, f inverse y. X means f inverse y is equal to 4y by, so 4 minus 3y. F inverse is represented by g. G of y is equal to 4y by 4 minus 3y. Where we have this answer is C. So this answer is in B option we have. So this answer is in B option. Is it clear, everyone? Okay, na? Right. This part is completed. So we have to complete the exercise 1.3 successfully. Now we are going to enter into the binary operation. Before binary operation, we have the 4 object bits. Okay, after binary operation, I will tell functions 4 object bits is there. That should be complete. Okay, na? So now start everyone binary operation. What is the binary operation mean? It is those we are taking the, so in engineering computer, in engineering computers, so computer science we can take in engineering, CS we can take. Make those 4 questions one video and send, sir. Okay. So everyone see. So everyone see the, everyone observe. So those we are taking the engineering is the CS as a group, that persons will get the locking engineering is there. So that means, so any program we can make, that program should be put in the locking system. So that means that secret lock only we can open, then only the program will be open. Otherwise, no question. That secret system is represented by binary operation. There we should be observe binary operation in the engineering of the those we are taking the CS group, that persons only, those we are taking the CS group, that persons only we can understand the binary operations. Okay, na? That persons only. So that is a secret system we are going to observe. Programming must be put in the secret system. What is that secret system we are going to observe? Okay, na? Just here only introduction of the binary operation we are reading. We have the final year is the one separate subject. In CS we have the separate subject, how to keep in the secret block. What is the one to one, how can you put in the locking system? So one by one, how can you open? That is the locking system. How can you open? We have that is a read in the CS of the engineering. Present what is the binary operation we can see. For example, so everyone put the heading is the binary operation. Binary operation. Here operation means here we are going to use this symbols plus, minus, multiplication or division. So that is the symbol. Not operation means not a hard operation here. Binary operation means symbols. What are the operation means? We can take either plus or minus or multiplication or division. These are called operations. Okay, na? Binary means closing of operation by plus, minus, cross or multi division by this system only. So these are represented by, these all are represented by, so star mark. These are represented by star mark. Therefore, operation should be represented by star mark. Star mark means it is a plus or minus or multiplication or division. We are represented by star mark. So star means either it is a plus or minus or multiplication or division. So what is that one is? We are going to see in the problem only. How they are going to define. Next one. So in binary operation, one set they will give. One set they will give. That set is either finite set or infinite set. One set they will give. That set is the finite set or infinite set. Finite set or infinite set. Finite set means, for example, integers I am going to take. So 1, 2, 3 natural numbers I will take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 4 only I am going to take. This is called finite set. Last number we have, that is called finite set. No last number, that is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to infinite number. This is called infinite set. So this is the finite set. It is the infinite set. Infinite set means no last number. So finite set means we have the last number. Next. Operation, they are going to represent, they will give the operation. That operation is given by star mark. That star mark means already it is hidden by what symbols is the plus, minus, multiplication or division. These are the symbols are there in the operation. They will give the operation. Next. So first what we are going to do, the binary operation. So the given is the binary follow the binary operation or not. So mean we take the binary operation means, binary operation means first we are going to check either the given set follow the binary operation or not follow the binary operation. For all two elements we can take A and B belonging to the same set, belonging to the natural numbers. such that A binary operation B, its value also belonging to the same set, then only then only it is called as a star is a binary operation. Then star is a binary operation. Star is a binary operation. Follow the binary operation. Star follow the binary is a binary operation we can see. So once again everyone observe binary operation means we take the two elements in the set after applying the star operation star A operation B A operation star B, that value also again belonging to the same set, then star is a binary operation. For example, I will write one example. I will see example. So I will take for all 2 and 5 belonging to the natural numbers such that 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Here plus is the binary operation. 2 and binary operation 2, binary operation 5. Here binary operation I am taking the plus 5, they will tell in problem only. So binary operation is the plus or minus or multiplication or division they will give. So binary operation is the plus, we get 7. 7 also belonging to the natural number. Therefore, star is a binary operation. Any not belong, no, there is no, therefore not belonging to the same set, then a star is not a binary operation. We can say that. Okay, na? So binary operation is clear, everyone. Next, second point is commutative. Second one is the commutative and associative means already we know that. So commutative we know that. So commutative is the reverse order, associative is the 3 elements. So right, commutative. Second one I will write. Here is the second one I will write. Second one is commutative. Commutative. What is the commutative means? Everyone see 2 elements we can take for all A comma B belonging to the natural numbers such that A binary operation B, A binary operation B value is equal to B binary operation A value reverse. A star B is equal to B star A. Then we say that star is a commutative. Then star is a commutative. That means what we have to understand means we can put the star mark for locking the programming by the binary operation, by the commutative operation. Commutative means we can open by the reverse order or same order. Any chance is there. Any chance is there. So we can open, for example, we put the secret number is a 1, 2, 3, 4. So immediately we can use with 1, 2, 3, 4 or 4, 3, 2, 1. So then also it is open. That is a one of the system. So that is a commutative system. Third one, associative. For all A, B, C belonging to the N set, A, B, C belonging to the N set, such that everyone see, such that A binary operation bracket B binary operation C, 3 elements A star B star C, the bracket is equal to A star B. So bracket star C, A star B bracket star C. then star is a binary operation. So star is, if star is a associative. So star is a associative. That means the locking system should be put in the, so three numbers we can take 1, 2, 3, 4, and we can use 1 and 2, 3, or 2, 3 and 1 we can use, no problem. That is called as a associate. That means the locking system we can use by the binary operation system, or reverse order also applicable, or three numbers we can take any order, it is also applicable. Two numbers in the reverse order also applicable. Three numbers in any order we can apply, we can open the locking system. This is called as a binary operation. Okay, na? So these are the binary operation. Up to this one we are going to use. So one is the binary operation, one is the commutative, one is the associative. Commutative is the reverse follow, associative is the three numbers in any order we can take, it should be follow. Okay, na? So this is the binary operation system. Operation means it is represented by star, but in star means either plus or minus or multiplication or division, they will define. Star is a plus, or star is a minus, or star is a multiplication, or star is a division, they will be defined in the problem only. Okay, na? Right. Right, everyone come to the exercise 1.4. Now what time is it? As 3 minutes is there, no problem. Exercise before one more point is there, among that is the table operation table also there. So operation table means how can use, one more point is there, note point. Everyone see the note point is, I forget note point. Everyone see the note point is operation table. Operation table. Operation table mean, for example, they are giving this set either 1, 2, 3, 4. So S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. And binary operation is the star is given. Star is the operation. Star is the operation. Its value is a plus. It is star is given by plus only. Then by operation table means, everyone observe what is the operation table mean. First, these set numbers write down horizontally 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. These set numbers write down as a vertically 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here is operation write down plus. Operation write down plus. So here is the operation is given by plus. Okay, na? So simple. Now see, one start with 1 plus 1 is the 2. 1 plus 2 is the 3. 1 plus 3 is the 4. 1 plus 4 is the 5. Okay. Next, start with 2. 2 plus 1 is the 3. 2 plus 2 is the 4. 2 plus 3 is the 5. 2 plus 4 is the 6. Right, start with the 3. 3 plus 1 is the 4. 3 plus 2 is the 5. 3 plus 3 is the 6. 3 plus 4 is the 7. Next, start with the 4. 4 plus 1 is the 5. 4 plus 2 is the 6. 4 plus 3 is the 7. 4 plus 4 is the 8. Okay, na? This is called, what is the operation table or consolidated table. Consolidated table or operation table we can see. Okay, na? This point also completed. Everything we have to be completed. Now we go through the, right, now I go through the exercise 1.4. Everyone see in our respective papers, or everyone see in our textbook. Those we have textbook, that persons will be see the textbook. Those we have no already, I tell that you should be download in the Google PDF format exercise. That is the relations and function topic. PDF is, you can put that PDF